Welcome. If you've ever used Chrome's Incognito mode on your phone, you might have noticed that it can be tricky to know when it's running. One simple way to fix this is by turning on app icon badges for Incognito, so you can clearly see when it's active. In this video, I'll guide you through the updated steps to enable this feature quickly and easily. First, grab your phone and open up your settings. This is where all your app preferences and system tools live. Once you're inside, scroll down and look for apps. Give it a tap, and you'll see a full list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, search through the list and tap on Chrome. This will take you to Chrome's app settings, where you can manage things like permissions, storage, and notifications. What we're looking for is under the Notifications section, so go ahead and select Notifications. Here, you'll notice that notifications for Chrome are divided into categories. This is an important step because Incognito has its very own category, so tap on Notification Categories and then find the one labeled Incognito. Once you're inside the Incognito settings, you'll see different options for how notifications behave. The key setting to watch for is App Icon Badges. By default, this feature may be turned off. All you need to do is switch it on. Toggling this option means that whenever you're browsing in Incognito mode, Chrome will display an icon badge on your home screen. This gives you a clear, visible reminder that Incognito is active, so you won't lose track of whether you're browsing privately or not. And that's it. It only takes a few taps, but it makes managing Incognito mode so much easier. Turning on app icon badges helps you stay aware and avoid confusion while switching in and out of private browsing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, remember to apply the same steps anytime you update your phone or if the settings reset. Thanks for watching.